How to activate your American Express card or your Amex card. So if you have an American Express bank account and you want to activate your card, first what you have to do is open your web browser and then search for americanexpress.com. This will take you to the official website of American Express, and once you are in the home page, you can see there is a login button at the top right. You can click on it, and this will take you to another portal where you can log in. So you don't necessarily have to log in to activate your card. So what you can do is scroll down, and under create new online account you can see confirm card received. You can click on it, and this will take you to another page where you will have to enter your card number and 4-digit card ID. So you can find your 15-digit card number on your card and you can enter it right here. And once you enter your 15-digit card number, you can enter your 4-digit card ID that can also be found on your card. So just check your card and enter your 4-digit ID, and then just simply click on confirm, and this will take you to another step where you will have to verify your ID. And once you do that, once your verification is complete, then you can finish this process and your card now will be activated. And that's how you can easily activate your Amex or your American Express card. I hope this video was helpful, and I'll see you on the next one. Thank you for watching.